Hi, I'm Angelo Carducci. I would like to be your real estate agent for all of your needs. If you're looking to buy a home, let's create a blueprint to find that perfect home for your wants and needs. Looking to sell? I have a unique selling method to sell your home over a weekend. I wish my agent had known about this method. When I had my home on the market, it took almost a year to sell it. I can understand the frustration of trying to sell your home in a current environment. After I sold my house, I got my real estate license. My mission statement became, we tell you what you need to know, not what you want to hear. No client of mine will go through what I went through. Before I became a realtor, I was in the IT field for many years. The skills that I developed include attention to detail, problem solving, and focusing on results. These same skills are critical to succeed in the real estate business. I apply these skills to my clients to get the right results they want and need. Call me, I can help you.